Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and on this video I'm going to show you how to bookmark messages and also how to see the message you bookmark on WhatsApp. Now to start this, open your WhatsApp application, wait for it to load up, and then let's dive into bookmarking some WhatsApp messages. Now I'm going to go to this WhatsApp message and then scroll up, click and hold the message to bookmark it, and now you're going to see bookmark option next to this forward icon. Click on it and you can notice an icon that shows this way. It means it has been bookmarked. Now let's go ahead and bookmark this other one too. Click and hold, and then you choose this button to bookmark. Now how do you see the messages that you bookmark? It's actually easy. Just go to the exact message and then you show it bookmark. Now when you click, hold on, there's a mistake. So to see the messages that you bookmark, click on the name of the contact, which is this. Click on that, and then you are going to see kept messages, this one right here. You click on kept messages and you're going to see all of the messages that you have bookmarked with their dates. Now these are all the messages, right? Now if you want to unbookmark anything, you can click and hold, and then you choose this option to unbookmark it or probably unkeep. Now let me go ahead and explain something very quick. You know that there is an option called star, right? Now, you can only star text messages and emojis or stickers. But you can notice there is star option and option for star. But you notice there is no option for bookmark. So the bookmark is an alternative option for videos and pictures, because you cannot bookmark videos and pictures, and as well as you cannot star video and pictures. Sorry. You can bookmark videos and pictures, but you cannot star videos and pictures. And on normal text, you can star a text and stickers, but you cannot star pictures and videos. So bookmark is an alternative of star message. So this is actually how it works, but I still think the star is better. If they can improve the bookmark option, that's fine, because I might not remember this person's chat or the chats that I actually have a kept message on, so I might not remember it. So I would prefer to have an option to see my star somewhere around here, and also my bookmark. You can see the star is right here, you can see starred messages right here, but the bookmark should also be here, but it's not here. So I hope WhatsApp improve this in the future. So thank you guys for watching this video. If it's helpful, don't forget to smash like, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.